old-fashioned Southern tea cakes are a slightly sweet cookie that's widely known throughout the southeastern U.S., where many families pass their tea cake recipes down from one generation to the next. Hi, I'm Lana from Lana's Cooking, and I'm going to show you how I make tea cakes. Tea cakes are a bit of a cross between a cookie and a cake. They're not too sweet, but they're completely delicious. The texture is soft and tender in the center with just a hint of a crispy exterior, and the short list of ingredients used results in a simple flavor profile of butter, sugar, and vanilla. I've known some older cooks who use tea cakes as a substitute for vanilla wafers in banana pudding or in place of the graham crackers in a cheesecake crust. There's nothing at all fancy in this recipe because it originated in a time and place when people made do with the little they had on hand. But what you'll need is butter, sugar, eggs, buttermilk, all-purpose flour, baking soda, and vanilla extract. Using a hand or stand mixer, cream the butter until it's soft and pale yellow in color. Gradually add the sugar to the butter, beating well. Next, add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Add in the buttermilk and beat again. In a medium bowl, combine the flour and soda. Turn the mixer down to the slowest speed and gradually add the flour-soda mixture into the creamed mixture. Stir in the vanilla. Shape the dough into a round or rectangle, cover it with plastic wrap, and chill it for several hours or overnight. When you're ready to bake, preheat the oven to 400 degrees and lightly grease 2 baking sheets. If you've chilled the dough overnight, remove it from the fridge about 15 minutes before rolling so that it's very slightly softened. Work with about 1/4 or 1/3 of the dough at a time and roll it to a 1/4 inch thickness on a lightly floured surface. Cut the dough into rounds using a large biscuit cutter or a drinking glass dipped into flour. Gather the scraps together, re-roll, and cut until all the dough is used. Place the rounds 1 inch apart on the lightly greased baking sheets and sprinkle the tops lightly with additional sugar. Place the sheets in the oven and bake for 7 to 9 minutes or until the edges are very lightly browned. Remove the cookie sheets from the oven and allow the tea cakes to cool for several minutes before transferring them to wire racks to cool completely. I hope you'll give this old-fashioned recipe a try in your own kitchen. Visit lanascooking.com for more.